The debate over H-1B visa, it is no longer limited to technology workers. American lawmakers are now pushing for relief measures that would help school hire foreign teachers. Now, here specifically remote and underserved communities. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. During a Senate hearing, lawmakers they argued that many school districts they face severe staffing shortages and they depend on international educators to fill the important position. The whole discussion it is particularly relevant for Indians because many skilled professionals they use the H-1B visa program to work in the United States. While technology workers they often receive the most attention, foreign teachers, doctors, researchers and other professionals they also play very important role in the American society. Lawmakers acknowledge that some rural communities they do struggle to maybe recruit the qualified staff and urge the officials to consider flexibility in visa policy. But you know what? The whole debate it shows that even on immigration that becomes more politically sensitive. There remains strong recognition of the contribution of skilled immigrants that continue to make across the United States. A social media post about a traveler being denied entry into the United States, and that too, despite holding a valid visa. It has sparked worldwide debate and widespread discussion online. Ladies and gentlemen, according to reports, the individual arrived at Los Angeles International Airport, but he was detained by Custom and Border Protection officials and held for several days. In the meantime, his family members they reportedly struggled to contact him, increasing a lot of concern about the whole situation. This case it highlights an important reality. Possessing a valid US visa, it does not automatically guarantee entry. Border officials they have the authority to determine whether a traveler remains eligible for admission or not. The report suggests that the traveler may have previously engaged in unauthorized work while traveling the US, specifically something that can be treated as a violation of visa condition. For many Indians who frequently travel to America, this whole story serves as a reminder that immigration rules it continues to be enforced strictly and that even past actions it can affect future travel plans. But yes, despite all these challenges, many Indian lawmakers they still believe that skilled foreign professionals they are very important to the country's future.